Hi, I'm Glenn Tinley with WinnipegMen.com, and I am here today with Michael Pons. Welcome to Winnipeg.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
We're here today at UN Luggage in the Exchange, and Michael has come in to showcase some of the wonderful fine writing instruments.
The point we want to message you want to get across is pens are not dead, quite frankly. Quite the contrary.
Let's talk about some of the some of the brands that you're here to represent. But let's start at sort of that entry level, with Lamy being some of those components.
And what Lamy did is adopt also a very, very minimalist design, so a very, very stringent product design. This is an amazing tool. It is the only retractable, totally retracting fountain pen in the market, so you don't need a cap, you just rotate it and the clip comes out.
Let's stay with the sort of the German brand, which is Faber-Castell. Give us some history behind there's a lot of history.
The company has been around since 1761. This will be its 250th anniversary next year. The history of the company is based on wood, because it's originally a pencil manufacturer. Because in those days, that was the only instrument you would use.
Let's talk about Visconti, which is an Italian brand. Some history to Visconti.
Yeah, interesting. It's a company. It's manufactured in Florence, and it was founded not very long ago. It was founded in 1988 by a pen fanatic. I can briefly also highlight our new Homo sapien pen, which sort of is unique in its own right because it is a pen that is absolutely, almost completely indestructible. The material itself is made from lava stone, which is crushed and which is in powder form, which is then formed. And once it's formed, you can put a hammer to the material; it will not break.
This has a different refill system. Show me how this one is.
So this is again a unique proprietary fill system from Visconti, which is called a touchdown system, a high vacuum filler. So what you do is you actually pull out this rod, and you actually dip the pen into the bottle, slowly push this down, wait about 3, 4, 5 seconds, then shut it off, close it, rotate it back, wipe the nib, and off you go. Okay,
now we're going to move to two sort of spectacular. I have to bring these to the forefront because tell us about this.
This is based on the concept of the Knights Templar. Classically white finished barrel with a sterling silver overlay done in a Renaissance or Middle Age pattern. Visconti is the only manufacturer who developed the concept of scrimshaw, which is in fact an ink etching. But in this case, they used the Bible as a theme, concepts from the Old and New Testament.
How is Canada as a market?
Canada is a market for fine writing in general that still grows, that is still developing. We as a company are committed to developing it, and in conjunction with quality retailers like UN Luggage in Winnipeg, we've been successful so far and we'll keep doing that.
Michael, it has been a great pleasure meeting you.
The pleasure was all mine.
Telling us about the different brands that you're representing. And I'm Glenn Tinley with Winnipeg Men magazine, and we look forward to seeing you on another episode where we interview more interesting people here in the city of Winnipeg.